What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tim. Welcome back to another video. So today is a little different. I'm outside of my office, and as you can see behind me, we got the famous Disney Hall, and I'm super stoked. So pretty much the reason why I'm here is because I'm going to be doing an engagement session for Tanae and Kingsley. So shout out to y'all, an amazing couple. So today I'm going to be giving you a little, insider on how I do it. So stick around and, see what your boy got. All right. So what you all see right here is me explaining to them the vision that I see and a couple of poses that I think will be a great way to start the shoot. So here we go. Your right hand, just put it on the chest right here for me. Like, yeah, make sure you. Uh-oh, fellas. Not too much now. Not too much. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, keep going. There you go. And then keep it there. And I want you, Kingsley, to put your right hand wrap around towards you more. Like, I want that into you. Y'all want that? There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Nicely there. And then if you can, Kingsley, because I know you're smooth, kind of like give that little chin grab, like soft though. Soft though.
Man, on me or her?
No, on her. Bring her in a little. Come on.
I'm awkward,
There we go. Bring it, and then bring it in a little bit. Like soft kiss. Look at that soft. All right now. No, you guys are doing perfect. You're doing perfect. Nicely done like that. There you go. There you go. And I want you to give him a kiss on the cheek, but you face me and give me like that. You know what I'm saying? GQ. You know what I'm saying? There we go. So give him. There you go. Give him a kiss on the cheek. There you go. Beautiful. Both of you under there real quick. Big smile. There we go. Beautiful. So I'm gonna have my boy Kingsley. You're gonna step right in front of her, and you're gonna step behind him. So it's gonna look like this. So basically, Kingsley, you're gonna go this way, and then you're gonna go literally behind. Actually, no. You know what? No. Don't move. You just did a pose. Y'all too good. All right. So what I want you to do is basically you're gonna look straight with your hands in your pocket for me. Actually, however you do, like this. However you do. You know what I'm saying? All right, perfect. And actually, can you back up, Kingsley, like one step? Perfect. And today you're gonna look straight dead center to me, but kind of like half his face. There we go. Ooh, this is looking nice. All right. So perfect, just like that. And let's see. For the hair, let's bring the hair down on this side. Yeah. Bring it down a little bit more. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so real quick, as you all can see, I'm instructing them, but I also noticed that there was some strands on her hair on her left side. So one of the things that I want you all to know is basically get the details when you can. It will save a lot in terms of post editing, and also it will let the couple know that you are paying attention to them and not just what you want to do, but you're also looking out for their best interests. So yeah, make sure you get those details. All right. And bringing this up more forward and relax it. Bring it inward. There, a little more. There we go, right. All right, now move. And today, bring your head up just a little bit. There we go, right there. Alright, look, I'm sorry, but I gotta see. And that's another thing. I'll go meeting when
Oh, wow. That looks beautiful.
Yeah, no.
Slide right there. Okay. I'm that direction. All right.
Okay. So this one, you're gonna have like right here. Yeah. And then this hand, and you're gonna be real tight with it. Like, there you go, perfect. So you can actually, there you go, first right there. Perfect. Like, like that, perfect. So we can get that ring in there. There we go. All right. There we go. Stay right there. brush your head. I know you got makeup on. I know. There we go. Yeah. There. That's perfect. And then hands on the waist. Perfect right there. And then just bringing us a little bit. Perfect. All right. Perfect. Keep that. And then I'm gonna have you put your hands in your pocket for me, Kingsley. There we go. And Kingsley, look straight to her, like just till you get to her. We're gonna do a big smile for each other. Big smile. And then I want you to wrap your arms around the right hand. Like that. Okay, for this scene, I already posed Tanae and Kingsley, but I also wanted to let you all know, don't be afraid to get some candid shots. As they're laughing, as they're, you know, beginning to get loosened up more and more, you want to take those shots because you'll get candids like this. And then also, just let them know that not to take the engagement shoot too serious. It's all about having fun and getting those small details like the ring and the hands. Just getting those fine details will really go a long way with your overall candid shots. So don't be afraid to make them laugh, crack some jokes. It will definitely help in the overall photos that you deliver. All right, so this is one of the shots that I really admire the most. As you can see, I'm telling Kingsley how to pose in terms of that GQ kind of gentleman posing. And today I'm giving her simple instructions to lean against the edge there. And overall, this image, which is one of the best images of the shoot, just because I love the landscaping of it, and also Tanae and Kingsley killed it. So definitely an amazing shot. Connect heads again, like this. Connect heads. There we go. That's it. Perfect, right there. Keep that, no move. All right, so as you can see, we just finished up the first outfit, which was Tanae in the black outfit and my boy Kingsley in the burgundy suede tux, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much Disney Hall had an event going on, so we weren't able to get inside, but now we were told that we are able to get inside. So basically stay tuned, because I have some more dope stuff to show you guys on terms of how to, you know, pose and shoot, whatever the case may be. So however it goes, I'm gonna show it to you, and hopefully you guys learned a lot. If you did, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what about this video that you enjoyed the most, so that way I can continue to create more content on it. So again, wrapped up for the first outfit. Now they change into the second outfit, so I'll see you guys in a minute, all right? Okay, now we are in the back of the Disney Hall and giving them super simple instructions on the pose. This pose here with the hand under the chin, everybody's seen this pose, but I like it. It's my go-to just to give off that confidence look, and I'm having Tanae just pretty much giving them both that connection, so I'm bringing her real tight to him, so that way they're together. And I'm using my phone under my camera lens to give a great reflection of the building behind them, and I thought the shot was pretty cool, so here it is. All right, y'all, so this is the last scene that my videographer could capture. Unfortunately, my camera died, so I'm only able to give you, you know, just a couple of voice snippets of what I've done. So basically, this shot that you see right here, I was trying to explain how I got that shot by demonstrating all the flashes and stands and stuff that I used to get it. But unfortunately, it did not work out that way. What happened was I ended up using only one light, and I did not use my tripod to hold my camera. And the reason being is because the distance between where I was to the couple, I could not get a wide shot with a sky in place. And unfortunately, I do not have the extensions for my tripod, and you know, for it to make it vertical. Yeah, I need to go buy one. For that, I just took it off the tripod and lay down and shot it from ground up to make sure I got the sky in the shot. And the one light stand that I did use, it was camera right. So I put the stand camera right and it worked out. So I love the lighting and all that great stuff. So it worked out. And what I used was, for the flash, Godox TT600 manual. And for the modifiers, I used the Mag Sphere. So shout out to MagMod. You guys are my favorite company, period. So I will link in the description everything that you've seen in the behind the scenes. I'm gonna list every single thing that I've used to get all the shots and any other extra equipment that I believe can help you all. So that's pretty much what it was. And as you can see, these other shots here were immediately after. So once I had my lighting in place, I told them, hey, get goofy, and you know, just have fun, be yourself, be goofy, be fun, be yourself. So these are the remaining shots of that. You can see her and him just laughing and goofing off, and I just pretty much had it on burst mode, just taking a lot of shots of them. And you know, don't be afraid to have fun with your clients. You know, your clients are there not only to take great photos, but also there to have fun. So let them be goofy, let them do whatever they want. You know, this is all about them and making sure that they have the best experience possible. And this shot here was the final shot. I thought, hey, why not give them something extra creative? So I pretty much asked her what was her favorite color, and she said pink. So I threw on a pink gel and a Mag Sphere on top of that, and then I placed it behind them amongst the wall of the hallway. And I took out a crystal, it's like a crystal, I don't even know the name, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'll put it in the link in the description. So yeah, so I pretty much had the crystal in my hand, and it gave off a lot of reflections of them, and I thought it was pretty dope. So pretty much I did that for them to end the night off, and everything was great. So pretty much that's really about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this behind the scenes. Please let me know in the comments below if you want me to do more, and if so, what areas are you looking forward to the most? Because honestly, every engagement shoot is different, and I want to make sure that I give you all enough content so that way everybody can see how to improve in whatever area in engagement. So for example, it can be communication, it can be how to flow from pose to pose, it can be how to scout you know, different spots in the location before they arrive. I mean, it's so much to engagement sessions that it would take forever to record, but I can break it into segments. So please, in the comments, let me know what areas you want me to touch on more in depth. So yeah, all right, so this is your boy Tim. Thank you again for sticking around, and expect more content to be uploaded. All right, y'all, peace.